Words to know: square, trapezoid, triangle.
How can you continue a repeating pattern? Think about this question during the lesson. Rashad is making patterns with shapes. Look at the picture of the shapes. How does each shape compare to the one before it? Are the shapes in any particular order? There are 4 shapes that repeat. What 3 shapes should come next? To find the 3 shapes that come next, you must identify the repeating pattern. A repeating pattern is made up of shapes or numbers that form a part that repeats. Find the part that repeats. What is the part that repeats? These 4 shapes make up the part that repeats. Name the shapes that make up the part that repeats. The part that repeats is made up of 1 triangle, 2 squares, and 1 trapezoid. How is following a pattern like making copies? As you follow a pattern, you are copying something over and over again. Continue the pattern. What 3 shapes should come next in this pattern? The next 3 shapes to continue the pattern are square, trapezoid, triangle. Now you know how to identify and extend a repeating pattern of shapes.